Hello guys, this is Neelaksh. You are welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some sentences for monsoon. These are very useful to us when it is raining or in the season of monsoon. So let's start the video. बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. It is bucketing down. It is bucketing down. मैं मूसलाधार बारिश अर्थ तेज बारिश में फंस गया हूँ. I am stuck in the downpour. I am stuck in the downpour. मेरे कपड़े भीग गए हैं क्योंकि बाहर बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. My clothes are soaked because it is pouring rain outside. My clothes are soaked because it is pouring rain outside. 3 दिन से लगातार बारिश हो रही है. It's been raining non-stop for 3 days. Or we can say this sentence, it's been raining for 3 days straight. It's been raining non-stop for 3 days. Or it's been raining for 3 days straight. आज बारिश होने की संभावना है. It's likely to rain today. It's likely to rain today. क्या बाहर बारिश हो रही है? Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside? क्या अभी भी बाहर बारिश हो रही है? Is it still raining outside? Is it still raining outside? चलो अंदर चलते हैं, बारिश शुरू हो रही है. Let's go inside. It's starting to rain. Let's go inside. It's starting to rain. बारिश रुक गई है, चलो बाहर चलते हैं. It has stopped raining. Let's go outside. It has stopped raining. Let's go outside. मैं बारिश से भीग गया हूँ. I got drenched by the rain. Or I got soaked by the rain. I got drenched by the rain. Or I got soaked by the rain. आज मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather today? How is the weather today? बाहर मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather outside? How is the weather outside? बाहर थोड़ी बारिश है. It's a little rainy outside. It's a little rainy outside. बस थोड़ी बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. It's just drizzling. It's just drizzling. ये एक आंधी तूफान है. It's a thunderstorm. It's a thunderstorm. ये एक ओलों का तूफान है. It's a hailstorm. It's a hailstorm. क्या कल बारिश होगी? Will it rain tomorrow? Will it rain tomorrow? क्या कल बारिश होने वाली है? Is it going to rain tomorrow? Is it going to rain tomorrow? कल बारिश कितने बजे होगी? What time will it rain tomorrow? What time will it rain tomorrow? मुझे बारिश बहुत पसंद है. I love the rain. I love the rain. मुझे बारिश पसंद नहीं है. I hate the rain. I hate the rain. मुझे बारिश के दिन बहुत पसंद है. I love the rainy days. I love the rainy days. मुझे बारिश के दिन पसंद नहीं है. I hate the rainy days. I hate the rainy days. मैं फुटबॉल नहीं खेल सकता क्योंकि बाहर बारिश हो रही है. I can't play football because it's raining outside. I can't play football because it's raining outside. I hope you like this video and these are very useful sentences. So please subscribe this channel and also don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.